So hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel CodeML. And right now what you are seeing on the screen is the first Kaggle project which we'll be implementing. That project is a very basic project for the like we have shared on the Kaggle website, and this is related to the Titanic survival prediction uh, case study. Okay, so what here this is an ongoing competition from long time, and as you can see on my screen, there are this is the Kaggle website. If you don't have an account on that, you can go ahead and create. Kaggle is a useful website for all the data scientists and machine learners, where you will get an ample number of data sets to practice upon the concepts of machine learning and data science. Okay, so what today we are going to do is implement a passenger prediction survival. Okay, so whether a passenger who is onboarded on Titanic ship is able to survive or not. So here what they have given us is the data set. They have already given and splitted the data set into two parts, that is training and testing data set, and we need to train our model on the training data set and test it on the test data set, which is already available over here. As you can see on the screen, this is our data. You can go into the data tab, and here you can see that okay, what all the things are available. So these are the three files, that is train.csv, test.csv, and gender submission.csv. So what is this? Here, by clicking on this download all, you can download all these three CSV files. So let me talk about some what we are going to do. So what we are going to do is they have already given that okay, what is this competition all about? This is about they have provided a data set. What we need to do is we need to use a machine learning algorithm that we can choose upon our own to create and build a model that will predict that whether the passenger who onboarded or who was traveling from the Titanic ship survived or not. Okay, so it's kind of a classification problem. Okay, so there are ample number of classification algorithms available in machine learning. So based on that, we'll be choosing one algorithm and we'll build our model using that. Okay, and finally what we'll be doing is so what this is just an overview video. So what we are going to do is I will just show you. I'll show you in our Jupyter notebook. So this is our Jupyter notebook. So what we are going to do is will already get the data. That is our first step, is getting the data. Okay, so in our almost all machine learning or data science projects, what we do is we'll gather the data from different resources. Okay, here since we are working on the Kaggle data set, so we have already have the data. We'll just import the data, that is read the data, and import the data into our Python Jupyter notebook. And then the second step is exploratory data analysis. So through some plots or through some visualizations, we will see the data. Okay, since we see there will be a lot of data which we can't just see and get the inputs. So for that reason, we do the EDA, that is exploratory data analysis. Then after that, once we have some observations that okay, what number of columns are interrelatable or highly correlated, or what are actually useful for predicting the output, that is a predictor variable. Okay, so what is our target variable? Here we will be having one column, that is survived column, which will have the values as zeros, that means not survived, or one as survived. Okay, so this is, I'm just giving an overview in this video. So this is the third part. The third task would be data transformation and pre-processing. So we'll be handling the missing data. We'll be handling categorize all the categorical variables, that is those variables which are having like class A, class B, class C. So if you're not aware of categorical variables, you can just Google it, and you will be able to know that okay, what are categorical variables. Okay, so when a data or a column, if you can categorize into different categories, okay, so that variables or that columns are known as categorical variables. So the next is, then fourth task would be building our models. And here what I have done is I have built the model using three different classification machine learning algorithms. Okay, and finally we'll be evaluating our model with the help of accuracy scores and cross validation scores. And finally, what we need to do is, to participate in our competition, we need to submit the file into a particular format, onto the Kaggle website. Okay, so if you want to know that, okay, what is your rank and how successfully you have predicted the value, so then you can submit your predicted output onto there will be a submission over here into submit predictions. You can go and submit the output and know your rank as well. Okay, so these are the related tasks which will be do in our this current project. Okay, so I hope you are clear with that. Okay, what we all will be doing in these like 3 to 4 lecture series.